Hey guys, this is the second part of our lecture video series on how to do independent samples t-tests in Excel, as well as how to write the results in APA format. So in the last video I covered how to do the Excel, and here's the results for the Excel from the last video. In this video we're going to talk about how to write the results in APA format. So in our class, I'm going to drag this over. I have a table. This is the independent samples section. You'll see that this video covers how to do it in Excel. This video covers how to do it in APA format. So how to write the results in APA format. We have two different pieces. We have a statistical shorthand piece that needs to be done. I covered this in my main lecture video. But this is a statistical shorthand that demonstrates, or communicates, I guess, to statisticians about what we did. So in this case, I'm going to write statistical shorthand. Now I did a t-test, so I'm going to write a t. T stands for t-test. Remember, T for 2. The degrees of freedom goes in the parentheses. My degrees of freedom is here. It's 28. I'm actually going to make this just a little bit bigger here in a minute. Ooh, there we go. Then I'm going to put my t-stat, my obtained value. I'm going to round this to 3.0. Then the last piece you need to put is P is less than 0.05. So again, we are using the pieces that we highlighted in our last video to create this statistical shorthand. Now we need this statistical shorthand first because we're actually going to use it when we write a couple of sentences about what we did. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because we need to be able to communicate out our results to the general population, to other statisticians, to anyone else that may be interested in our findings. Now again, in our class, I'm going to slide this over. Right below the statistical shorthand explanation, I've got an APA results section. You have two options: phrasing results that are significant and phrasing results that are not significant. So if we look at our Excel sheet, P is less than 0.05. I've said, yes, this is less than 0.05, so the results are statistically significant. So I'm going to grab this one, this paragraph, and it's not cheating to use this in my class. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it right here. Now it's going to get weird. If you leave it long like this, it's totally fine. I know some students don't like to do that. If you click the wrap text button up here, it will make it into a nice, neat little box. Okay? So let's clean this up so that this results section talks about what we found up here. What did we do? We did an independent samples t-test. Okay, it was calculated to compare the mean scores of what? Males and females. So I'm going to mean scores of males and the mean scores of females. And I'm going to change this just a little bit to say a significant difference between the means. Significant difference was found between the means of the two groups. Now you'll notice here is my statistical shorthand, so I'm going to edit this to match the statistical shorthand that I have above. Okay? Then what did I find? The mean of the males. And what was the mean of the males? We know this from our table right here. 7.9 roughly. I'm going to round just a little bit. Was significantly higher than the mean of the females. And what was my female mean? I look here, 5.3, so I'm going to edit that. Okay? And remember, it's not cheating to use this from our class. You can use that. Once you have that written, you have written your results in APA format and are done.